Hi, I'm Greg, founder of PowerKing, and we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to do a walk around on the PK0803 stump grinder. It's a 14 horsepower Kohler engine, Command Pro, top of the line. We're just going to do a walk around on all the mechanisms on this stump grinder today. Okay, first of all, this has a detent throttle cable on it. It's locking. So this, you've got your brake system here. This wheel on this side is has a brake on it for pivoting when you're cutting on your stump. Your handle is adjustable. This handle is so that you can lower or raise it, because this stump cuts 12 inches above ground and 9 inches below ground. So you can adjust that for your different heights. It has foot pegs on it if you need to push it out of the way. Tow bar is optional. These are available with our online detailer, e-tailers. This simply slip this off. We want to take this off while we're towing, while we're cutting. That's for a 1 7/8 inch ball. Coming around this side here, the equipment comes with a green bag, and what's in this bag is a bottle. This is for your oil. It's kind of handy to have a bottle for oiling, so you can get that into your engine. What else we got in here? Ear muffs, ear protection. Guys may not have this, so we like to send it along with our units, so you'll have it when you get it. Those aren't too bad. We got some safety goggles also in here. Okay, so you get a pair of work gloves and manual with some tools to help you with assembly. Okay, all right. This stump grinder has a stand on the front of it, and what this is for is to keep your teeth up off of the concrete or off the ground when you're not using it, so that you don't chip your teeth. But it's real simple to operate. Just pull the pin on it, reset it. That easy. Construction on this. These handles are welded, continuous welded to the frame. There's leather guards both sides and in the rear on the unit. It's got off-road ATV tires on it. This is the access to your belts. This is a dual belt drive system. It's got V-belts on it. And to tighten and loosen your belts, what you would do is you would loosen the 4 bolts on your engine, and in the back of the unit here there's a screw, and you put a screwdriver through there and turn that, and that moves your engine forward or back to adjust the belt tension on it. The Kohler Command Pro 14 horsepower, our equipment has a 4-stage Sliconic filter, and because this equipment's used in dusty, harsh conditions, when your snorkel is on the outside, it's for summer. And if you unhook these 2 hooks, you can turn this canister around, so the snorkel is now inside near the heat of the engine for winter operation. To operate your Kohler engine, there's two levers here. The one on the top is the choke, and the one on the bottom is your gas. So in the operating position, both of these would be completely forward. To turn the motor on, you'd come up here on the top deck. There's a palm switch, which is a shutoff. In case you get in trouble, you can just hit that. But you're going to want to twist that to the arrows and have it popped up. This will allow your engine to be started. And then there's also a jet ski pull on here for your belt. So if you get in trouble, you can back away from that, and that'll pull and it'll kill your engine. Okay? So put that back on there. When you get the unit, it's fully assembled except for the wheels and the handle and the leather guards. So the wheels are different. One is for the braking side and one is just free rolling. So you want to look at your directions to make sure you get the right wheel on the right side. They just slip onto the axle. There's a castle nut with a lock pin that goes through the axle to hold them on. Over here on the brake side, what you would do is before you slide this wheel on, you would slide the brake on, and it's in a little housing. Slide it on, and you can see there's a metal bar here, and there's ears on that brake. You just put those like that, and that's the proper installation for that. Your brake is adjusted here and also up here. There's adjustments here for your brake. Okay. The cutter wheel, I'm going to tip this up so you can see the cutter wheel underneath the front end. The cutter wheel has 9 cutters on it. Most units have 8. Ours has 9. It has 3 center cutters, 3 right cutters, and 3 left cutters. And these are heavy cast with tungsten carbide tips on them for cutting. Those can be resharpened. They can also be replaced. And again, those teeth can be purchased online at our many retailers. So we're going to go ahead and, well, here's your brake. Pull this back all the way back, and that locks your braking system. Locks this wheel so you can pivot back and forth when you're working on your stump. Okay, so thanks for considering PowerKing. If you have any questions, you'd be happy to call us out here, talk to Greg or any of the guys in the technical department. Our number is 1-800-344-3371, and we're always happy to hear from our customers. So thanks again for watching our walk around.